Welcome to Sosban and the Old Butchers in Menai Bridge. So today we're going to do something a bit special. We've got some Welsh Wagyu beef, strawberry tomato salad, then we're going to do a charcoal mayonnaise, some dandelion leaves, we've got some dried dulse, seaweed, some anchovy for seasoning again because we're not using salt, and that's it. So for the tomatoes, we're going to use a blowtorch, or if you've got gas at home, you can just put them on a high flame to get this, you want the skin to peel off. Give a nice, what we were after is a barbecue flavour as well. Gives a nice smoky barbecue flavour. The ice. And if you want to be in there as little time as possible, so it doesn't lose any flavour. And as you can see, the skin just peels off. Lovely. Like this. Bit messy, but also a bit of fun. And what we're going to do then is actually cut it in half. I'm just going to de-seed it. So like this. Get a small spoon. Just get rid of any seeds in there. Like so. And I'll just, so any of the end here, like so. And then what we're going to do is, while we're doing the rest of the dish, is we're going to season these so they really take on the salt, because that's what really brings the flavour out in the tomato, is good seasoning. And what will happen is the tomatoes will bleed because they're taking on all that nice seasoning. Right, so we're going to put the beef in first, because this needs 12 minutes. This has actually been brined as well. So this has been brined for an hour, so when I bring it out to put it on the planche, there's going to be no seasoning until we actually slice into the meat and season it with anchovy. But obviously at home, if you haven't got a water bath, on the barbecue, 4 minutes each side and rest for 10 minutes. So put this in the bath, then I'll go on to the charcoal mayonnaise, onto the brine leeks, strawberries, try and get everything together within the 12 minutes. Nice summer dish. So, beef in, now onto the mayonnaise. So use really good eggs, and what we've got is just the yolk. Germs removed, and then all we need, some Dijon mustard. And it's about half a teaspoon onto the egg. Then we've got some Sauvignon Blanc, white wine vinegar. And you're looking for about the same quantity again. So another half a teaspoon. Like so. Charcoal oil. Like I say, you can use anchovy and use a light oil then. So we'll whisk this, and then what we want to do is just let this drip in, like so. Then what we've got is a lovely mayonnaise. So now, a bit of seasoning. Then we'll transfer the mayonnaise to a piping bag. If you haven't got a piping bag, it's ready to rock and roll with your barbecue. Now for the leeks. These are 3 sea leeks, well foraged, and have been brined in equal quantities of sugar to salt. And they've been in there for a couple of months now, so they're like a caper. And all we want to do is just cut these very thinly. Earlier I kept one of the big tomatoes like so, because if you're putting it on a barbecue you need a bit more structure. I'm going to blowtorch these to give the same effect, but putting it on a barbecue you need a bit more strength and texture to barbecue. So for these, I'm just going to colour now. So I'm just going to let this caramelise nicely now. We need a couple of minutes each side, and then it needs to rest for a good 10 minutes. So while this is resting, we'll start plating or finishing the strawberries and everything else. And as you can see, it's caramelising lovely because of the fat content. Doesn't need long at all. So over again. Some butter on there, like so. Just want to turn it over now, because it is there, and over again. And then to rest. And just a couple of knobs of butter again on it to rest. And then what we'll get is some moisture coming out, and we'll put the dandelion leaves in that just to give them a bit of like their own dressing in a way. It's like a beef dressing, a natural dressing.